Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app? You should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Mobizen app and you will enter to the window of this app. Here we click on first app and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.